Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Listening Stories. On this channel, we help you practice real English, slowly and simply. My name is Leo. I'm so happy you are here with us today. Today, I have a special guest. She loves Christmas. She loves cozy lights. Please say hello to Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today. This topic makes me feel warm already.
Anna, before we start, I want to ask you, and I want to ask our listeners too, what does a perfect Christmas day feel like for you? Is it the food, the family, the lights, or maybe the gifts?
Oh, that is a great question. For me, a perfect Christmas day feels warm. Not just warm in the house, but warm in the heart. Family, good food, and soft lights.
Nice. Today, we will help you talk about Christmas Day in English. We'll go step by step. Morning, presents, food, fun, and traditions. All with easy English. Okay, Anna, let's start from the morning. You wake up on Christmas Day. What feels different?
First, the feeling in the air. The house is quiet, but it is a happy quiet. I can smell coffee. My dad always makes coffee early.
Nice. In my house, the first thing I see is light. We have a small electric candle in the window. It shines all night. The room is soft and warm. Outside, it is cold. Inside, it is cozy.
Oh, I love that. Warm inside, cold outside. That is Christmas feeling.
Do you wear special clothes?
Yes, I wear big, cozy socks and a warm Christmas sweater. Sometimes it is an ugly Christmas sweater. For fun.
I have one with a cat in a Santa hat. It is very ugly, but I love it. So, after you wake up, what does your family do?
We all go to the living room, but there is a rule. Nobody can look at the presents until everyone is there.
Same in my house. We all wait together. It is very hard to wait.
We drink coffee or juice. We talk a little. The excitement grows.
Then the big moment. Who opens the first present?
In my family, the youngest person opens the first gift. So my little cousin starts.
In my family, we take turns. One person gives a gift. We all watch them open it. Then that person gives a gift to someone else. It takes a long time, but it is very nice. You can see every happy face.
That's beautiful. And we always say, thank you, even if the gift is a little strange.
Yes, you say, thank you, I love it, even when you get 10 pairs of boring gray socks.
Did that happen to you?
Yes, one year my aunt gave me 10 pairs of the same gray socks.
That is very funny. My uncle gives a calendar with pictures of his dog every year. Now I have many dog calendars.
Okay, after presents, it's time for food. Do you help in the kitchen?
I try to help, but I also like to taste everything. So sometimes I eat the cheese before it goes on the table.
So you are a snack helper.
Yes, not a real cook. My main job is to set the table. I put the plates, the knives, the forks, and the special Christmas napkins.
Nice. I help with vegetables. I peel potatoes and carrots. It is a little boring, but I like talking with my mom while we work.
Do you listen to music?
Always. We play Christmas songs, we sing, and sometimes we dance in the kitchen.
My family does that too. My dad sometimes dances with the turkey. He holds the pan and moves.
I really want to see that. So, the food is cooking, the house smells amazing. How do you know it is time to eat?
My mother calls, "Dinner is ready." Everyone runs to the table. It is a little crazy.
In my house, my dad rings a small bell. Then we all sit down.
Do you say something before you eat?
Yes, we say a short thank you for the food and for our family. Then we say, enjoy your meal.
We do something similar.
What do you eat, Anna?
We usually have turkey, roasted potatoes, vegetables, and gravy.
Gravy is like magic sauce. It makes everything taste better.
My favorite part is the stuffing. It is soft bread with herbs and onion. Oh, so good.
I love crispy potatoes. Soft inside, crispy outside.
Do you have a special drink?
The adults sometimes drink wine. The children have sparkling juice. It feels fancy.
My grandfather makes hot punch. Fruit juice with spices. It tastes like Christmas in a cup.
I like that expression. Christmas in a cup.
The problem is we take too much food. Our eyes are big, but our stomach is small.
Yes, but we still try to eat dessert.
Of course, we have Christmas pudding or a big chocolate cake.
I sometimes have pumpkin pie. After dessert, I cannot move. So, after the big meal, what does your family do?
We all go to the living room. The room is dark. Only the Christmas tree lights are on. We sit on the sofa. We are full and happy. Sometimes we say nothing.
In my house, it is the same. It is a very peaceful moment. Then, someone always falls asleep.
Usually my grandfather. He snores a little.
After resting, we sometimes play games, board games or card games. We laugh a lot.
We like jigsaw puzzles. We start on Christmas afternoon and finish in the next days.
Do you call family far away?
Yes, we make video calls. We show the tree and say Merry Christmas.
Let's talk about traditions. A tradition is something you do every year.
Yes. For example, in my family, it is a tradition to watch the same Christmas movie every year.
Which movie?
Home Alone. We all know the lines.
Nice. Some people go to church, some sing Christmas carols, some visit Christmas markets. Every family is different.
That's important. There is no one correct Christmas. The important thing is being kind and together.
Okay, Anna, let's quickly review. On Christmas Day, we can talk about morning, waking up, smells, light, cozy house, presents, giving, opening, saying thank you, food, turkey, potatoes, dessert, drinks, and big dinner, activities, games, movies, walking, video calls, traditions, tree, lights, songs, family time. Now, if someone asks you, "How was your Christmas?" you can say, "It was lovely. My family had a big dinner and we exchanged gifts. Or, it was quiet, but nice. I stayed at home and watched a Christmas movie. Both are perfect, simple answers.
Exactly. You don't need long sentences. Just be real and use the new words.
Now it is your turn, dear listener. Question of the day. What is one Christmas or holiday tradition that you love? It can be Christmas, New Year, or any other holiday. Write a short answer in English.
For example, my favorite tradition is eating a special meal with my family. Or, I don't celebrate Christmas, but I like making sweets for my holiday.
Write your sentence. Practice your English. We are proud of you for learning.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We wish you a wonderful Christmas, or whatever you celebrate. Be safe, be happy, and keep practicing English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.